Good morning, students. In the last lecture, just we had discussed about the application of Ampere circuital law, and that is magnetic field inside a solenoid. Already you know that what is solenoid? A helical coil of insulated conducting wire is known as solenoid. Okay. So now we are coming to toroid. So what is toroid? A circular solenoid is known as toroid. सोलिनॉइड लंबा होगा, अगर उसी लंबे सोलिनॉइड को अगर हम स्प्रिंग को क्या कर देंगे बेटा, राउंड कर देंगे इन द सर्कुलर शेप, देन द डिवाइस विच इज ऑब्टेन्ड इज नोन एज टॉरॉइड. एंड टॉरॉइड इज आल्सो यूज्ड टू प्रोड्यूस अ यूनिफॉर्म कंट्रोल्ड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. जहाँ पे सोलिनॉइड नहीं यूज हो सकता वहां पे हम क्या यूज करते हैं, टॉरॉइड इन द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस लाइक दैट. एंड हाउ टू ऑब्टेन द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इनसाइड अ टॉरॉइड. ओके, सो वी आर हैविंग अ सर्कुलर सोलिनॉइड. This is a circular solenoid where capital N be the number of turns. ये लाल वाले उसके number of turns हैं. तो already we know that magnetic field outside the long solenoid is zero. In the same manner, magnetic field outside a toroid is also zero. In outer part में there is no magnetic field, but inside a toroid magnetic field remains constant. Okay. So magnetic field inside a toroid remains constant and outside it remains zero. Magnetic field due to toroid. A circular solenoid is known as toroid. ये रखने वाला. So using Ampere circuital law, closed integration B dot dl is equal to mu 0 IC. So when you remove the dot product, we can write B dl cos theta. And what is IC? Here number of turns n, and each turn carries current I. So therefore IC becomes, the value of IC becomes number of turns multiplied by current I. And here B and dl are in the same direction, therefore theta is equal to 0. So cos theta becomes 1. So B constant बाहर आ गया. Close integration dl. Close integration dl मतलब length of this closed loop, that is the circumference 2 pi r mu 0 ni. Dividing right hand side by the 2 pi r and capital N divided by 2 pi r, that is represented by small n. जो solenoid में relation था same. Number of turns per unit length of a toroid. Toroid circular shape में, therefore we are using 2 pi r. Solenoid लंबा था, वहाँ पे L था. So smallest formula becomes, again the formula for magnetic field in a solenoid is same as formula for magnetic field inside a toroid, mu 0 and I. Only difference is of small n. Here small n is capital N divided by the circumference 2 pi r. But in case of solenoid it is divided by length. So what is toroid? A circular solenoid is known as toroid. Okay, magnetic field inside a toroid remains constant and outside it remains 0. Using Ampere circular law, B dot dl is mu 0 IC. Dot product हटाओगे B dl cos theta mu 0, and what is the value of IC? That is number of turns, and each turn carries current I. Okay, and what about the cos theta? Cos theta is 1 because B or dl they are in the same direction. So length of the closed loop is 2 pi r mu 0 ni divided by 2 pi r. Capital N divided by 2 pi r becomes small n, number of turns per unit length of toroid. So we are getting a formula B is equal to mu 0 n I. Okay. Now we are taking the example of a solution of the problem which is based on the solenoid and toroid. Okay, page number 154, example number 4.9. Example number 4.9. What is given? A solenoid of length 0.5 meter of radius 1 centimeter. What is the length? Length is equal to 0.5 meter and radius is equal to 1 centimeter. See, and it's made up of, number of turns is 500. It carries a current of I is equal to 5 ampere. What is the magnitude of magnetic field inside a solenoid? So very first thing, we have to find out the magnetic field inside a solenoid. तो यहाँ पे what is the length? L is very greater than its radius. So it is a long solenoid. So it is a long solenoid. So therefore, what is the formula for magnetic field inside a long solenoid? Magnetic field inside a long solenoid. So same formula. Magnetic field B is equal to mu 0 Ni. Okay. What is small n? Number of turns per unit length. So therefore we can write mu 0, it is 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 7. Number of turns 500 divided by length is 0.5 into current is of 5 ampere. So when you simplify this becomes 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 7. Simplification कितना होगा? 10 raised to power 3 into 5. So this is 20 pi into 10 raised to minus 4 or 2 pi into 10 raised to power minus 3, or this becomes 6.28 into 10 raised to power minus 3 Tesla. Okay, and Tesla is the unit of the magnetic field. So 2 multiplied by 3.14, that is 6.28 into 10 raised to power. तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पे ध्यान रखने की बात क्या है कि लेंथ ऑफ द सॉलिनॉइड इज ग्रेटर देन इट्स रेडियस. तो ये कितना हो गया बेटा यहाँ पे 0.01 मीटर. तो दिस लेंथ इज ग्रेटर देन द रेडियस, देन इट इज अ लॉन्ग सॉलिनॉइड, एंड इनसाइड अ लॉन्ग सॉलिनॉइड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड रिमेन्स constant. And what is the formula for magnetic field inside the long solenoid? Same as mu 0 Ni. But यहाँ पे in toroid capital N, ये small n क्या था? Number of turns divided by its circumference. यहाँ पे देखो small n क्या बेटा? Capital N divided by length. तो number of turns कितने थे? 500 और length कितनी है? 0.5. And we are simply using the formula B is equal to mu 0 Ni, and we obtain the answer magnetic field 6.28 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Now I hope that this topic is clear. Okay, enjoy, have a good day.